Hi everybody, I'm Mark Jacobson with an MGM Minute for the week of September 11th, 2023, overlooking Park MGM, New York, and MGM Grand right in the Las Vegas Strip. Here's what's happening across MGM Resorts International. Responsible Gaming Education Month continues, and with that, MGM Resorts and BetMGM are once again teaming up with the American Gaming Association to provide guests and customers the tools and resources needed to help keep gambling fun. Throughout September, the companies are increasing the visibility of GameSense messaging across all properties and digital platforms. Additionally, MGM Resorts and BetMGM are elevating GameSense training for employees. GameSense was developed and licensed to MGM Resorts by the British Columbia Lottery Corporation in 2017. The program enhances MGM Resorts and BetMGM's guest and customer service models by focusing on positive, transparent, and supportive conversations with players about how to gamble responsibly.
It is the beginning of the football season. More people are coming to the sports books. More people are using their online sports apps, and it's an opportunity for us to reinforce these important messages about playing responsibly, setting budgets, and really being focused on the right thing. And at MGM Resorts, that means putting, GameSense, which is our responsible gaming program, forward. We've done a lot of work around training. We have over 1,100 of our MGM employees who are trained in GameSense and providing that information to our customers, whether they're playing online or in our casinos.
Along that line, BetMGM has introduced several new features for football season, including the debut of a new campaign starring Jamie Foxx. The two-spot series was filmed in Las Vegas at Park MGM and Aria. On top of that, the next generation of the BetMGM sports betting app is launched, offering enhanced functionality with same-game parlays, single account, single wallet, an exclusive live odds boost involving BetMGM's team partners, and more. Additionally, BetMGM ambassador and former Detroit Lion Barry Sanders is featured in a free-to-play game available for customers ages 21 and up titled 8-Bit Barry. 8-Bit Barry celebrates the nostalgia of retro football video games. Now, here's someone you should get to know. Meet Emily Shoemaker, an assistant restaurant manager at Luxor Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. Recently, Emily met a party of guests at the buffet, two of whom were visually impaired, and the third who was in a wheelchair. In order to help them have an enjoyable dining experience, Emily took it upon herself to seat the guests and personally bring them their food. She also arranged the table in an easily accessible way and described in detail what food she had brought and where each item was located.
I have family members that have disabilities, some cognitive, some physical, and to see them come in, it was like an immediate connect, just because, I wanted them to have a good experience and not, go through some of the things that some of my family members have been through. So to be able to extend myself and help them in that way to create like that wow moment for them was what I really wanted to do.
Shifting gears now, this past week, MGM Resorts employees collaborated on a variety of volunteer projects. Team members at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas built personal care kits for Catholic charities. At the same time, MGM Grand employees assembled kits for local school-aged girls in partnership with the nonprofit organization Project Maryland. Heading over to Biloxi, Mississippi now for a visit to MGM Resorts Beau Rivage Resort and Casino. Members of the Veterans Employee Networking Group are doing their part to combat food insecurity within the Gulf Coast. The group recently packed dinners for the Meals on Wheels program and also helped serve hot meals to those in need at the Lord Is My Help food pantry. Since January, Beau Rivage team members have helped serve more than 700 people through these initiatives. And finally, team members at MGM Resorts Borgata Hotel Casino and Spa in Atlantic City, New Jersey just wrapped up a summer-long school supply drive. Hundreds of backpacks filled with crayons, pencils, markers, dry erase boards, flashcards, notebooks, and folders were delivered last week to Pennsylvania Avenue School and the Martin Luther King Jr. School Complex. These efforts are all part of Focused on What Matters, MGM Resorts' wider commitment to social impact, sustainability, and community engagement. And for more information on any of these events or happenings, feel free to contact us at media@mgmresorts.com. Have a great week.